I had a lot of followers ask me to do a follow-up to my drone video tour that showcased what the beach looks like currently. And one of those videos really kind of hit the nail of how bad erosion is, especially near Surfside Pier. So you guys asked me to come over here and film a quick little video, and so we're gonna do that right now. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. We are trying to hit 100,000 subscribers, so if you can hit subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them we can make fun videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below. First, just a big shout out to these guys. Today is a random Tuesday, and they're on the beach having a blast. They're not swimming. Well, there is no lifeguard, so you shouldn't be swimming anyway. But they're just having a good time. They got some music on and they're hanging out. It's not cold today, but it's not like warm. So props to these guys who will probably watch this video later and go, ah, that's us. A little disclaimer, by the way, while I'm doing this video, because this is now the third set of balloons that I have found on the beach. When you release those balloons into the sky, they wind up in the ocean. And unfortunately, or at least fortunately for this one, that string, fish try to eat it and then they croak. So don't release balloons into the sky. I know it looks cool, but this is a problem. The current time right now, we're looking at about 2:30 p.m. And it is high tide, but we also have a full moon. So this is looking to be the highest it's going to be this summer. Now, keep in mind that we are expected some storms. We always get nor'easters. It kind of is what it is. And so this is the current situation. Let me flip the camera around for you. This is Surfside Pier. And at high tide, you're not crossing over. It is, I want to say, about 1.5 feet of water, depending on which way the current is rolling. So right now, you're not crossing over. And as you can tell, Morey's Pier, this is where the line used to be. So you get a couple feet of erosion. It looks like maybe 3.5 feet of erosion. And as you pan over, you can see how bad the entrance is. The city is going to, of course, level this out for the summertime. But when it comes to Morey's Piers, I mean, if it's getting hammered here, imagine what it looks like on the other side. There's a lot of sand missing. And of course, you could see where the height used to be. All the way up to here. So imagine, all this sand is now gone. And when it comes to Sportland Pier, you can see, even like 2 summers ago, you were able to sit out there. Not so much anymore. This is all underwater. Still be a good place to hang out though. You got the shade, you put your chair under there. But that's what it looks like at this very moment. I'm trying to give you a better view of going down there, but it's too windy for the drone or the Seagull. But you can see it is getting slammed with water. And as I said before, they're gonna fix these ramps regardless of the beach you're going to. It's just, doesn't look good kind of going this way. We need those dunes to be approved to build some kind of safety net to head that way. As you're walking down the beach, you can see other things being uncovered. This looks like maybe another railing they had. And you can tell that it's different colors as well, because over the years, depending on the tide, different sediment gets released here. Kind of almost looks like a volcanic ash. And because of the boulders, those aren't really boulders, those are chunks of the ramp. It almost looks like this is some other world. As we inch closer and closer to summer, I'll be sure to bring you guys updates about what's happening down here in the shorelines. A lot of people are saying, oh, you're not gonna be able to go to the beach. You are. As you know, in the springtime, we get those storms. Come summertime, things calm down. And you'll still have plenty of space to come to the beach. I just kind of expect between 16th Street and 24th Street to kind of be a little bit more packed than usual. But there's still going to be plenty of places to, as they say, put your butt in the sand and enjoy a nice cold bottle of water. Anyway, I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, I'll see you on the beach, which we're on right now, and in 3 months, I'll be swimming right out there. Just so happened to be walking down the beach, and I saw that Morey's Pier has added in all of these walls and doors to keep people from going underneath the pier. Something that I know that under there are a ton of gates and a lot of fences, but I kind of figured they had one of these before, but I guess not. Looks great so far though. Goes the entire length and looks like they're doing it on both sides.
Go get that shirt I picked out.